If you're searching for a genuine Hostinger coupon code, this quick Hostinger review will help you get the best value. Hostinger already has great deals across all plans, but when you use my link in the description, you'll unlock an extra 10% off on your billing. And here's the important part. The discount may not always apply automatically. So if needed, just enter the coupon code VIP4U at checkout to activate your extra savings. In this Hostinger review, one of the biggest advantages is how easy it is to use. You get fast performance, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, Lightspeed-powered servers, and the Hostinger website builder, making it super simple to create your website, even if you're a complete beginner. If the pricing isn't showing in your local currency, just click the flag icon in the top right corner and select your country. It's quick and makes checkout much easier.
With its speed, simplicity, and reliable performance, Hostinger is considered one of the best web hosting platforms right now. Plus, every plan comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. So if you want to get started, click the link in the description, apply the coupon code VIP4U if needed, and claim your extra 10% discount on your plan today.